go to File, Import, Primavera P6, browse, select the file and open. Next, import. Finish. This is called Gantt chart. Go to File, Import, Synchro project, select and open. Import. Finish. It is called 3D resources. 3D resources has number of resources. If you click here, you can see the resources. Now select all the resources and assign resource to task and create a new rules for automatic linking resources to task. Take the two condition for summary option and take one condition for relations. Now add. Now click here and select 3D user field, and in 3D user field select activity ID and from here you can select ID and save, and after that OK. Now search and assign all. Operation finished successfully. OK. OK.